am ready for a new week. Are y'all? I'm getting ready to head to Costco, and I have my meal plan all ready, and then we'll do some meal prep. Hey y'all, good morning. So we need to do meal planning. Every week I do my meal plan and grocery haul and meal prep at the beginning of the week to help set myself up for success, set my family up for success, and I like to share that with y'all. So the first thing I do is come to my command center area in my kitchen. So this is it. It's a little sloppy right now, but I have my calendar, and when I'm ready to meal plan, the first thing I do is bring this baby out and look at what is going on this week, and then I go to my meal prep board and let's go over it. So this week, Monday, bacon chicken Caesar casserole, and actually that's already changed, y'all. I'm doing spaghetti tonight because it's going to be such a full day, and I have some already pre-made. So we're going to do spaghetti, and I'll probably have it over zoodles, and they'll have it with some noodles. And then Tuesday, I'm making a Texas style chili. It is perfectly keto. It is one of my faves. I have not made it in forever. I'm so excited for it. Wednesday, gonna do keto mini meatloafs, and then Thursday, a chicken mushroom casserole, which is my kids' absolute favorite thing that I make, and I'm excited to do a recipe video of that. And then we'll be out of town this weekend once again for a soccer tournament in Arlington, Virginia. And then I have my little list of my meal prep stuff, and then my grocery list. So that is it. That is the plan. Let's go to Costco. Are y'all ready? I'm going to take you along. Let's go. All right, let's hit the Costco. It's Christmas at Costco, y'all. Christmas, Christmas. We have like less than 100 days till Christmas, so it really is time to start thinking about it. Alright y'all, if y'all have an air fryer and you have a family, like a decent sized family, will you let me know? Like, I'm thinking about these. Like, I kind of want one because everybody has one, but it looks like not that big. I'm afraid I'd have to do like tons of like sessions of it. Does anybody have one? Tell me about it. Alright, we made it out to the car. Check out all this stuff. Y'all, we were busy shopping and talking, and I forgot to record inside, but I will do a haul when we get back to the house. Alright, here is our grocery haul from Costco. Let's go over it. I spent $330 on all of this. Normally my grocery budget for the week is about $125, so this is going to need to last us a while. This is why I don't always go to Costco, because it's just, even though it's great prices, I end up spending more than my normal amount. Alright, let's start up front here with the meat. I'm going to make a big old pot of Texas chili. So this is top round steak. I'll use one of them, and one of them I'll freeze to do like a roast with. And then underneath that is a bunch of really good looking sirloin steaks. About half of that's going to go into my chili, and then the rest we'll have for as steaks. I've got a whole bunch of chicken thighs here, skin on chicken thighs. And I love how they package these, because then you can just cut them apart and pull out the amount that you need. And I really like these, and the prices are great. These were $1.19 a pound. You cannot beat that. Okay, this is a splurge for the kids. we don't usually do these, but they're great on soccer tournament mornings or things like that. So not keto, but sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do for the kiddos. Same with this. This is just bread for their lunch sandwiches, which for years I did not allow them to eat bread. I don't know why I'm allowing it now, but that's what it is. These are for this weekend. We're going out of town. These are those little panino things. It's a prosciutto. This is upside down. A prosciutto, a soppressata, and it looks like 2 prosciuttos and a soppressata. So these will be really good and portable for on the go. And definitely 100% keto. I got a rotisserie chicken, which I am going to pull apart and eat on this week. Ham for the kids' lunches. This is something for my daughter, some cranberry almond chicken salad. A bunch of bacon. You know I've got to buy bacon. Blue cheese. Love blue cheese. And I like how they're separated so you can open one at a time. This, those little mini red peppers, Caroline likes to use these to dip into buffalo chicken dip or hummus or things like that. So got some of those. Mandarin oranges for the kids, they really like those. This canned chicken breast from Aldi's is, not from Aldi's, from Costco is a great deal, and I use 2 of these at a time when I make their buffalo chicken dip, and I'm usually making that twice a week right now. Some Mexican shredded cheese for their quesadillas. That's a go-to meal when I don't feel like cooking. So they go through those quite a bit. I got 2 things of these Parmesan cheese whisks. I love them. Some sliced cheese for sandwiches for the kids. This is awesome because it has 4 different cheeses in it. So it has some Swiss, some Colby Jack, some cheddar, and some Monterey Jack. So that's cool because then we can vary up the cheeses. Then I am making our all-time favorite casserole this weekend, or this week on Thursday, I think, and it uses Munster cheese as the cheese on top. So this, I'm probably going to freeze half of this and use half of it. Raspberries for the kids, although on keto you can have a few berries. Raspberries are definitely allowed. Caesar salad, my kids' favorite, and we just throw the breadcrumbs out. Some spinach, my daughter requested. And then I got some hard cheese big blocks that I can shred myself with my meal prep today. 2 things of pimento cheese, a jalapeno and a regular for the kids. And some Parmesan cheese, cream cheese. They were out of the Philadelphia's, so I got this brand. It should be fine in buffalo dip. I don't know that I'd want to bake with an off brand. I like Philadelphia, but I think it'll be fine for buffalo dip. Some Kerrygold, and then the last thing back here is just some tortilla chips for the kids with their buffalo dip. And I think that is it. I got a small haul from Aldi's, and I'll show y'all that here in just a second. At Aldi's I spent $50. Alright, here's my little Aldi's haul. Got some beef sticks. These are definitely a great little keto snack, and my kids actually love these. My kids eat these more than we do, actually. This is my favorite chocolate that I can still eat with keto. It's 85% dark, and it is just delicious. I cannot even tell you how good this is. And if you haven't bought it before, let me show you. It comes individually wrapped in these little squares. So when I need chocolate, I have one of these. And let me show you on the back. Nutrition information. Okay, so 2 of the pieces in this container, you get 25 grams of fat, 18 carbs, and 6 fiber. That is for 2 of these, and that's for 2 of these, and I only have 1. So it, you know, you get a little bit of carb in there, but it is not a lot, and they are so good, y'all. So good. If you haven't tried these, I really, really recommend them. And they're cheap. Like, it's the cheapest keto-friendly chocolate I can find anywhere, and it's my favorite somehow. I got this for the first time there. I got some ghee, so we'll try that out. Sausage for our meal prep for the egg casserole. And then these guys are Aldi's version of a low-carb bar, and they're actually really quite good. 3 net carbs. It's not like a clean, healthy, wonderful food choice, but it's great, great, great for on the go, and it's only 3 net carbs, so sometimes it is worth it. And they're really, really pretty good. Like, I'm a fan. And then this is a replacement for Power Crunch bars, and actually is a little bit less carbs than Power Crunch bars too, but I buy these for my son. He likes these. They're 13 grams of protein and 7 total carbs. The Power Crunch, I believe, are 9 total carbs. So too much carbs for me, really, but I mean, if I really wanted to work that in, I could. And then just some trail mix for my daughter. Some celery to cut up for them with buffalo chicken dip or with lunches, and some zucchini for me because we're doing a spaghetti sauce night tonight, and I like to do it over zucchini for me, or zoodles. Alright y'all, so that wraps up our meal planning and grocery haul for the week. I got a lot of stuff, so hopefully it will last us longer than a week, because I spent way more than my weekly budget. This is why I don't go to Costco all the time. Like, I always end up spending a lot more than I think I'm going to, but you get so much. So if I can stretch a lot of this for over 2 weeks, then it'll be worth it. And I usually only allow myself to go to Costco one time a month. I can't afford to go there weekly, but I do love me some Costco. If I had an unlimited budget, I probably would almost exclusively go to Costco. Really great quality stuff. So, I don't know.